Oh, very good. Your choice of words, choice of phrases, and your sentences are great.
Thank you.
All right, so now let's move to the next topic. What would you choose for the next one?
Okay, we are talking about reading.
Reading?
Mhm.
Oh, yes. Books. Do you love reading?
Yes, I
Wow.
like readings, but
Wow.
actually, I prefer watching a movie
Mm-hmm.
more than yeah, reading book.
Really? Wow, that's amazing. Because,
Really?
nowadays, children don't want to read, right? They just want
Yeah.
watching or playing games
Mm,
or just doing research on the internet rather than reading.
yeah, 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 yeah.
Yes. Do you have like library of books in your home? Do you keep
Yes.
books? Wow, that's great.
Yeah,
That's
but
good.
like recently, I tried to read English book because
That's
of
great.
study.
Yeah, that's
Yeah,
nice.
but it's hard for me.
You
Too
have
hard.
English subjects right now at the university?
Yes,
Yes, okay. Yeah, but I mean, it's good. It's very important to have English
I
books
know,
as
I
well.
know.
Yeah. Okay. So, how many hours do you spend, you know, reading?
Well,
Mm,
just one 1 hour
an hour
before
every day.
before I go to sleep.
Oh, okay, that's nice. Yeah, it's a lot better actually when you read books. It's easier to sleep, right? Rather
Yes,
than
right.
when you're watching movies or you are
Mhm.
reading on your laptop,
Yeah.
on the
Mhm.
internet, it's difficult to sleep.
I
Yeah, isn't
know.
it? Yeah, I
Yes,
noticed that.
yeah, and recently I so we are watching like internet and the
Yeah.
smartphone, like you know what I mean, like too much.
Mm.
We are
Too
watching
much, yeah.
like light of that, like
Exactly. Yeah.
yeah.
It's really not good for our health, right?
Yes,
But books
it is.
is good. I mean, it will not affect your health. You're
I
reading
know.
physical books. It's very true. So it's good that reading is still your hobby, right? That's good. That's good. Yeah, very few people are reading now, reading books. Very few people now. This
Mm,
generation, right? This generation.
yeah, that's true. That's true.
It's very hard to teach children nowadays to read. Okay. Do you still go to the library? Is library still okay to go right now, or no need? Just, if you need research, you just look
Uh,
to the
uh,
internet, or what do you do?
I think now library is closed because of COVID.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
So cannot go to the library nowadays. All right,
Yes.
so this is about library. Okay, so what type of books do you like? What
Mm.
type of books do you like?
So I like mystery book, mystery
Oh, really?
story,
Really?
but
Wow.
just I can read like
Mm,
Japanese book.
okay.
But like if I read English book, I just read like love story because
Story. Yes, yes,
yeah,
yes.
mystery is too difficult to
Difficult,
understand,
exactly.
you know.
Exactly. Just like also when I'm watching movies, English movies that I like to learn from it,
Mhm.
I also choose love story,
Yeah, yeah.
romance love story because it's easier to understand.
I know, yeah, that's
Yeah,
right.
right. And then there's no too much sounds or
Yeah,
noise that would,
yeah, yeah, yeah.
sometimes distract your listening skills. So
Mm-hmm.
I prefer to watch also love story.
Mm,
Yeah,
yes,
yeah,
me
yeah.
too.
learn a lot from that because it's easier to catch up.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So, do you watch the movie that came from a book? For example, Harry Potter, right? Harry Potter.
Ah, yes, yes.
It's also interesting, right? You know what?
Yeah.
You've been reading this book and then you watch a movie.
Mm-hmm.
Wow. It's like it becomes alive. That's a
Yes,
good experience.
I
Yeah.
know.
Yeah, right? Okay. Um, most people say the book is better than the movie. Which one is better? Was movie better than
Yeah.
books or book better than movie?
I think book is better than movie because
Mm.
book is more, how to say, like more deeply.
More
Uh,
deeply.
mm-hmm. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Okay, so you can relate more to books.
Yeah, movie is like grabbing.
Hmm.
How to say, like kinda short
Short
of the,
only.
yeah, short of the story. You know what I mean?
Okay, okay. So it's like sometimes it's not you're not satisfied with
Yeah,
the
movie
story.
is sometimes not full story.
Limited, right?
Yeah, limited.
Maybe it's just like a shortcut, something like
Yeah,
that.
yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yeah,
That's
I see, I see. So you really enjoyed reading. That's great.
right.
What was the last book you read?
Oh, this is here.
Okay, so it's there. Oh, me
Before
before
you,
you.
you know the movie.
Yeah,
This is
it's
so.
also a
This
movie?
story has movie too.
Oh, that's what we're talking about. Yeah.
Yeah,
So
I really like.
have you watched the movie? Have you
Yes,
Wow, how
I
was
have watched
it?
the movie 5 times. I
Oh,
really
really?
like the movie. Yeah.
Wow, that's nice. That's good. Is it really the same scenario, stories, the book, or it's different? A little bit
Actually,
different? Different?
I don't know because I don't finish to read
Oh,
the
you're
book.
not yet
So this
done with the
time
book.
I
Okay.
yeah I watched the movie at first
All
and then
right.
so I I'm reading a book
Oh,
because
wow.
I really like the movie.
So it's exciting now. Yeah. It's exciting for you now to finish the book, right?
Yes.
Because you have watched the movie. Wow.
Yes.
It's interesting. It's very nice.
I know, right?
Okay. Uh, Did you watch the movie in the theater or just at home?
Just at home. Yeah.
Okay. Wow, 5 times.
Yes.
Re- That's great.
I
Okay, so
know.
you
Kind of
really,
crazy.
wow, you really love that story.
Mhm.
That's great. Okay, we ran out of time, Aruna. I enjoyed a lot in our
Yeah.
lesson for tonight. That's great. Great job. See you again next time, okay?
Okay, bye.
Bye-bye. See you.